come up with the stylish square neckline with the ethnic designing. So let's get started. I'll be showing the neckline on this piece, which is the front panel, and for the designing part I'll be taking this 2 pieces fabric which was left in my dress previously. This is plain mustard cotton fabric. And also for the designing, I'll be using this dory or the anchor threads. This is cheap and easily available in the market. Now I'll wind the dory thread in the bobbin. Hold the thread firmly and run the footer and wind the thread in the bobbin. Now insert the bobbin in the bobbin case. And I'm also using the contrast color thread, which is pink. This is normal cotton thread. Firstly, I'll join the 2 pieces and make a single piece for the designing. Now press it gently so that the seaming allowances should be flattened. Now turn towards the wrong side and make the equal length. Here I'd be marking like V shape with the length of 15 inches and the width 8 inches. This is also called as glass shaped neckline. You can see the shape now, it's looking like a glass. Now cut on these marked lines. Now I'll mark 1 centimeter lines on this piece, leaving the center joining, for which I'll join the gold lace in the center. Draw all the straight lines connecting to these marked points. I'm done with the marking of 1 centimeter. Now I'll show how to sew this with the dory thread. Insert the bobbin case which was winded with this green dory thread. And on the spool I'd be using this normal cotton thread, which is of contrast color, and also using this zari thread. I like to use zari thread because it gives the richness and pleasant look on any garment. Separate the 2 threads, and just above the needle 2 anglers is there. There you have to insert the 2 threads separately and insert in the needle. joining the two threads. Now slowly pull out the bobbin case thread. Let us start designing on this piece of fabric. The pretty side should come down and the wrong side should come up. And I am selecting the option A, which is a straight stitch, and you can select the stitch length from 1 to 3 and the thread adjustment at 2.5. Ensure that the pretty side should come down and on the top you should have the wrong side, which I drew these lines. Now start sewing on these marked lines. You have to sew it very little by little, or else the zeri thread will break. See, once done, the pretty designer embellish line you can see here with a pinch of zeri thread, which will give the beautiful appearance. Sew it on the marked lines. Ensure to maintain equal gap. See, one side I have done. I'll do the same for the another side also. Now I'm ready with these stitch lines. Now I'm gonna show you the cording stitch, which is done using with this standard foot. I'm selecting the option D here and the stitch length SS with the thread adjustment 1, and in bobbin case the normal cotton thread, which is the contrast color. Place this dory thread in the center of these lines and start sewing. Hold the dory thread firmly with one hand when you are sewing. Before sewing, mark the lines. And on the spools, as usual, 2 threads, the cotton thread and the zeri thread. Now you can see the designer thread line. Continue to fill in all the gaps. With the simple stitches, you can create your own designer garments. This zeri work and the embroidering threads will give special attraction to any designer wear. When you are doing this type of embroidery works, use always the contrast colors, which will elevate the designing part and will give dazzle look to your appearance. Have patience when you are doing these designer garments. It takes little more time but saves your money. Now I'll join this gold lace to join this designer piece on the fabric or on the kurti. I'll be joining the designing piece to this, placing center, the wrong side of the pretty fabric and the right side of the designing piece. Ensure that the designing piece wrong side should be on the top. Secure it with the pins. Now mark the neck shape with the neck width of 3 inches and the neck deep 5 inches. Neck width on either sides mark for the 3 inches from the center front. And mark the neck deep of 5 inches. Connect all these 3 lines, a little slanting line towards the corners of nearly half an inch. Start sewing on these marked lines. Ensure that the corners you have given the perfect shape of the square. Insert the needle down, lift the footer up, turn towards another side, make the footer down and run it. Leave 1 cm seaming elements and cut. Near the corner joinings, give the angled slits. Unpin the designing pattern and turn towards the right side of the pretty fabric. Now you can see the designing on the right side and the pretty part is also on the right side. Place the gold lace in the center front of the joining and start sewing to conceal the seaming of the joined 2 pieces. The pinch of outlining with this gold lace will really give the pleasant look to the simple kurti. can try this type of ethnic wears for the casual wear, daily wear and the party wear. Pairing with plazos, leggings, cigarette pants. The simple plain kurti will become now designer after joining this designer patch. Now I'll be joining this gold lace towards the sides with the joining with the base of the bodice. Towards the corner, bend the lace like this and turn to the another side and start sewing. This type of vertical lines will also define your structure, which will give pleasant appearance. Please try this, you'd love to wear it. Hope you liked watching this video. Do not forget to like and leave your comments. With the simple left things you can create wonders. See how beautifully this stylish neckline has created. A sincere request to all to share this video in your circles or community, may be useful to them. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy watching the latest fashions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.